Hey everyone. So I wanted to continue on the trios. I was working on the trios. So I started with like a couple of years ago with Sweet as Candy, Walking on Eggshells. I did Silent Treatment, and I want to do the other three that are in the trio collection. I did the older trios. So I figured I'll do this. I'm gonna do it as it is in the palette. I already put pure gold on my eyes. That's the NYX pencil, and I guess in the move, this kind of cracked. Must have broken, cause look at that. It's like all over the place. I had to put alcohol. I'm having a really hard time. It's just cracking as I'm trying to use it. When I'm done doing this look, I'm gonna have to put my alcohol. It's just breaking up, which probably means it's probably gonna crack all over. You know, just gonna probably I don't even know the word anymore, because I seriously, I'm senile. I can't remember words anymore. You see, I'm senile and I'm doing both my eyes. You should see the mess, this shadow. It's, I don't know if you can see it. Already got like a hole in the middle. I don't know. I just think that happened in the move. Like, I did move like from North Carolina to Texas, and Texas, from Houston into Pearland. All right, so let's use that dark blue. I'm just using it like it says to use it in the pan, the palette. I think I'm going to try and soften that with a fluffy brush. Wow. And go over it again because I overblended. This is what I don't like about blending. It can take it off. Well, I guess it depends how you do it, but let's just do that. I'm going to take another brush and go into that blue on top. Whoa! Okay, that needs to be toned down. Go into my sugar. Because, yeah, that, no, that is too strong. I think next week I'll revisit this palette or this trio and see how and what other ways I can do this. Use this to, again, to tone it down. Blend it out. I do have primer on my eyes. I don't know why that blue is not sticking. Dip back into that gold and just try and open on my eye here. I've said 100 times I have a very deep set small eye, and so a lot of times when I'm doing the crease, it covers. I'm trying to get into that little corner there. I'm trying to go into the white to tone down that blue, but that is just too much. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I definitely gonna look up ideas on how to use this palette differently. I really never thought that color on top, that light blue color. I never felt that it belonged in that palette, and this definitely confirms it to me that it doesn't belong. So, I used this for the first time. The Sunset Junction Color Icon Blush and Glow Trio. So I used that for the first time. I was going to use some of my soft matte from NYX, but I remembered I had my gold lipstick, and I said that would match well with the lid color. So I did that. So yeah, don't have anything to show you or anything. I just want to continue with the trios. I definitely want to look up a better way to use this palette. I'm going to look it up, see if there is. And then I'm going to do this one. And I might save this one for March for St. Patrick's Day, but we'll see. I just wanted to finish that, the trios, the trio collection, I guess you could call it, because it did come out as one of the, I think it was released in 2011 for their new releases, and I wanted to finish those trios before I continue to any other collections that they did. I still also remember that I also have the what was the A pan, the ones that they had back in 2010, and I like to get into those as well, just to do some looks for you as well. So I don't know, let's see, but I want to finish this first. So yeah, so basically that's it. So I will see you next week. Hopefully, I do have a very, very full week next week. I've got first day of school. There's some things that on my to-do list that had to kind of be pushed over. So Monday's the only day I'm going to be able to do that. And I've got appointments. Not only just the first week of school, I got appointments every day. That's going to be rough. So morning is going to be mornings 2 days a week. Back to 4 days a week. Appointments all next week except for Monday, and trying to think. So I'm gonna try and do a video next week. If not, I will see you the following week. Keep warm, stay safe, love you. Mwah.